Yeah, I know. It's a little bit broken because it was old. Even that one is old.
Hi, welcome. Today I'm coming to you from inside my truck. Had a little change of plans. That truck there, I'm gonna try to get it out. Possibility that I might be selling it soon, and it needs to be all back together. So I think this video is supposed to rain starting at 6 today. There's a good chance to rain Saturday. So wanting to get this out and all the parts out of the second barn out and put them all in the garage. We're gonna move the Bronco over for now. If we get it all together, it could be prove very beneficial for the Bronco build. If we want to give us some funds, and maybe I can speed it on a little bit faster. But I think today, I don't know if you see all that mess there. We gotta clear all that mess out, cut down some trees, and try to find some tires that will hold air long enough to get into the shop. And if we get that far, we're having on tires, then I think my wife is gonna try to pull me in the truck to the shop. So I'll get you set up out there, and we'll start cutting trees and looking at it a little bit closer, seeing what we need to do. Got the wrong keys. Got the right keys now. Don't got the right keys. These should be the right keys. Hopefully. Here's a better look. You can see still has the original 6-cylinder. Has no steering column. I think I can put that back in. But he's just gonna use this as a display piece. Just want something with a not too bad of a body. Got 2 back tires, so that's good. Let's gotta find another tire for the front. I think we may be able to get this out today. Don't find any snakes in here. There's a copperhead back there that got me a while back. So might be some in this stuff. That being said, this jack stand's sunk a little bit on this side. It's not a bad cab. I'm nervous to go over that. This has some dings in it, and cab corner's a little rusted. Of course, if you're going to restore it, you have to replace this, which they make pieces for. But all in all, it's not bad. And I think if we get in the garage, we'll clean this all out. I think one of these bolts is actually not bolted down. Yeah, when the body mount bolts is missing, that's why this does that. So we'll put some bolts back in it. But let's see if I want one more tire. Hate to see her go, but I need some cash for the Bronco build. I'm gonna go find another tire and then get my little air compressor out here and see if we can't air up some tires and get it started moving. I do gotta get a chainsaw. Cut this tree, cut these 3 trees out, and then we can move this gate over one way or another. That way it'll be easier to get the truck out. I'll get some tools and we'll be back. All right, I think I got everything. Chainsaw, I got a tire here that probably won't work, and some of them probably won't work either, but make it a little loud. We're gonna cut the trees out. Sorry if I'm out of breath, but I just carried a bunch of my junk back here. swing the gate out and start putting tires on it. Got my jack, we'll jack it up and take the stands out from underneath and see if it'll roll. Anyway, I had to steer it with my hands on the tires, but we'll get to that when we get there. But let's get it out, aired up, and see if it'll roll. Well, kind of successful. You can tell, but these two tires are shot. So, and I probably have to air up the tires all the way there. So, let me go get some chains, I guess, and get the wife, and we'll start heading that way. Let's try this again. You ready?
Yeah. Okay, we are going. We added a driver. We added a wheel in there because we can't move it. So watch my daddy too, because he's a star. I said you're a star. Because you do the famous ones.
What was that? A clamp.
Should I stop it?
No.
My daddy's fixing it again. Because you know, he fixed these things. And they're awesome. And I'm doing this for my daddy. Because if he doesn't say anything, I'll say the whole thing through the thing. So watch this video. That is so cool. Okay, my daddy's fixing it right now, so you can watch it if you want to. Because I do not know what he's doing either. But he's my daddy. And here we go. Yeah, I know. It's a little bit broken because it was old. Even that one is old. Is it raining? It went right on my leg. Why did you do that? Because you know how I get excited about rain. You know how much I like cars than my daddy? Because I make rainbow ones. Now, card.
All right, seems like we got it out and it's thrown in the shop. So I'm gonna clean all this stuff out, push the Bronco over as far as I can get it. And next time you see right here will be a 1950 Chevrolet. I got it cleaned up a little bit and aired up tires, so I think we're about ready to push it into the garage. It's starting to rain too, so you gotta do it here pretty quick. Now there's our new project for the time being. Gotta put the bed back on it, fenders, and passenger side door. But you can tell it rained on me a little bit. But this may be at a restaurant in Oklahoma City. We gotta put the front clip back together. It shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully I can get it done in a couple weeks. And so it had to be put on hold for a while until we get everything bolted back to this. And if he decides he doesn't want it, then I probably still am gonna sell it, but we'll get better tires. That's what really hurt me moving it today. Get better tires on it and put it back in the barn. But anyways, it's in here. Kind of a different view in here. I think we're gonna work on this truck, getting the body panels back on it. I got all the bed. Didn't have a bed actually in it, like the floor, but it had the bed panels and the fenders and the tailgate. We'll get all that bolted back together, put on. And if he wants it, we'll see if he wants us to throw a sheet of metal in here. Because I think he's gonna put a restaurant and decorate it for Christmas and such like that. And we gotta put the front clip back on it. And my next videos will probably be just about that. We also gotta put the passenger side door back on too. Hopefully it'll look like a truck here before too long. And like I said before, if he buys it, that's awesome. We have more money to throw into the Bronco. If not, it'll probably still be for sale if any are looking for one of these. I think that'll do it for me today. I am wore out, so I think I'm gonna take the weekend off and not really do anything because my back is already hurting from trying to push this thing. All we actually had to do is get my little tractor. I don't know if you've saw it before, but got in front of it and just pushed it in. But then the tractor got stuck on the front support beam. So I had to get a pry bar and pry it up and pry the truck down, and the wife had to back the tractor off. But it was a lot easier than pushing it. And I think we have enough room we can work on it. And two, I think we can still work on this a little bit. It may not be as much as we have been doing, but I may pop over here and do a few things and then get back to the truck. But anyways, hopefully I don't lose any of y'all because of this, but hopefully in the long run it'll benefit the Bronco even more. And we can get it done, and then we can start on another one. It won't be this one because I hate to see it go, but we'll start on another one and continue on from there. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. So best thing you can do for me. Well, we'll dive into this one and hopefully get back together. So I'll see you next time.